Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete your most recent activity on Gemini AI, like for example your chat or conversation history. So let us guide you through it. Head over to Gemini AI, make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. And this is actually very simple guys. Here inside your account you will see that activity key or button in the bottom left corner. If you don't see it guys, expand that menu here by clicking into these three lines in the top left corner. So click into activity, that is going to redirect you to your Gemini apps activity. So here you can disable or enable your activity in general, for example, by clicking into on or turn off here. And then guys, you may also set an auto deletion, for example, for activity that is older than 18 months or less than 18 months, for example, 3 months and so on and so forth. So you may customize this, or you can simply disable the auto delete activity entirely. And last but not least guys, if you scroll further down, you will see your last activity. And here you can, for example, delete specific messages you have had with Gemini or specific prompts. If you, for instance, would like to free up some space in your Gemini AI account. And that's basically it guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.